So today we discuss topic about how to we can generating traffic to from Pinterest account. There is nothing but Pinterest marketing. Pinterest not as a small market. This will be understanding is very easy, but do work is very understanding is very important. This is coming to the Pinterest account. First of all, you can create the Pinterest account. There is a norm called as pins. Create a pin. Pin nothing but we can create your board options are there. There is number of boards are there. Board nothing but your keyword. Board nothing but your keyword. In this, each Pinterest account we can create the n number of accounts. You can create the n number of accounts. In this one, first of all, when you click here, these are the number of boards. Okay, these are the number of boards. When click pin option, see this. I'm selecting will be pin here. Create a pin. What is called? How many pins you want? Here's the number of pins. Each pin will be promoting for board option. But I'm not looking for this certain board. This certain boards. I have using for another board option. So the pin created, any pin is created here automatically. Empty title, they can't create the empty title. So in this purpose, first of all, install the Pinterest browser extension. This is the Chrome extension, Mozilla extension, everything will be there. You can install the browser extension option. If you already extension will install, remove from Chrome. I'm already installed this option. This all will be Chrome Web Store. This button will be available. Where? Chrome Web Store. Now, I'm taking one video. Guys, carefully. This is so many people will be confused how we can promoting my video using Pinterest. So this is my title, how to create Facebook ads step-by-step tutorial. Okay, copy. Select the Pinterest toolbar. Okay, what you can choose your brand. Okay, so what we can creating for Facebook ad step-by-step tutorial. Create a brand option. Okay, what is that? I'm creating for this board. Which board? Facebook ads step-by-step tutorial. Same one. People how to search in Google. See this one. Facebook, how to set up Facebook ad campaign. Okay, go to this video. Pinterest. Select the toolbar. Create. We can promoting this video, same video, link same. What we can changing? Keyword is change. The video we can change it for number of keyword will be promote. Where you can visible, go to refresh. Here, the two videos coming to video same. But how many keywords I'm promoting? Two keywords. Click edit. After edit, we have options are there here. By here we can promoting for by Digital Rakesh. Here we can sharing for anyone. This option will be there. There will be sharing for link will be to invite anyone. Click for done. So edit Facebook ads tutorial. Click this by which one? You can writing for your channel name. Not only this, we can promoting for your website also. Website simple. Go to services. Select it. Keyword. Click it. What we can selecting for? Create a board option. Click. Create. So same one. Copy. A small change is there. Previous service. Now I'm using for company. Link same. Image same. What we are changing? Only keyword will be changed. So same image, same link, I can promoting with the multiple keywords. Why? People will searching will be same keyword multiple times, different searches. Top digital company, top digital marketing services. So location will be same. What we can change? Front end will be company, agency, services at best price. Now click. Same one, Pinterest. Board was created. Agency. Same. Wait for close. This close option will be automatically will be closed for without closing. Here, click. This will be what we can add for services. Hyderabad. So I'm searching Hyderabad. They're not showing create button. What is the reason? This button already create. If your button already created, they can't accept your option. Suppose Hyderabad, customer services. What is showing for? Button was visible. What is the button? This content we not created. Any keyword, Pinterest, only one time the keyword will be enabled. Okay. Now, same. We can go to services. Here, one more option is there. Bachpalli, Pinterest, same. Where you can add in here, Hyderabad. Next, go back. Click here, Pinterest, where you can click for Hyderabad. Link will be changing, but Hyderabad, all keyword I am adding for Hyderabad digital marketing services. Go to services, click it. I'm adding for Hyderabad. Now refresh. Keyword is same. See the links. How many links are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 link I'm promoting which keyword? Hyderabad digital marketing services. Any people will be searching Google. Searching Google. Their showing will be in the search of here. Here also will be showing for Pinterest in the search list. Depending on the ranking. Major impact will be in the images. Google images. Now click here. Click the link. They go to where? Name a particular website. This already the content is updated, so the image will be visible to my website. The same like new links also will be indexed in the Google images. What are the linking? So how much time taken? They will depend on the Pinterest admin approval. So we are submitting to the Pinterest website. They approve by the Google image and the Google search results. So Pinterest will be supporting for Google search results and Google image also. So how to show the customers? Major question. When people was click here, they click the link. Here will be click the link. They go to website. First they go to Pinterest. Pinterest will be give the referral traffic to the your website and your YouTube channel. Both option. But compulsory important option is called you have to install the Pinterest toolbar. One link will be image will be same number of keywords. Here this link is same. What we can change in number of keywords. So simple. Facebook automated ads. Copy. Pinterest. Create. Another toolbar. Create it. Only particular video I can promoting in number of keywords. That all option will be given by Pinterest option. The option will be given by Pinterest. Suppose one more option is there. Go to home page, select your option, look into carefully, click this, create a pin. Here adding everything is there. So my link is okay. This is my link. Okay. Link same. Link same. Top digital marketing services. Here, what we can changing? Image I'm changing. Which image? Here. Next, my board. What is my board will be? Pragati Nagar. So this is the board of Pragati Nagar. Only one board will be select. Image. Image you can go. Select option. Which image you are comfortable. Okay. Just what do you click for? Save. Is a dummy image. I'm select here. What happened? Link same. Keyword change. Image change. Link same. Keyword same. And image change. These are the options we can give by where Pinterest option. So one video we can promote it with multiple images. Why? Because YouTube thumbnail is only one. So one image, how many people will promote? Only 100 or 200. So when your image will be changed, where it can happen? For the Pinterest. Same how to use a social network to image change and promoting your channel. Same like will be Pinterest also will be used. Link same, image change, keyword change. Link image same, keyword will be changed. But always whatever we can change the keyword will be changing. Multiple keywords we can use option name is called Pinterest. When you understand this concept, your website will be getting good traffic. YouTube will get the good views. The people watching your views, the based on getting for YouTube traffic, view and the subscriber. Subscriber depend on only for your content. People will be like definitely click the subscribe your channel. So these are the options you compulsory follow to the Pinterest marketing. This is the kind of SEO to the search engine optimization from the search engine for Google, Google search results, and Google images option. These all will nothing but backlink for your website and YouTube channel option. So if any query, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will support you.